Hello viewers, in this video we will see one of the most frequently faced common issue in access control of SAP GRC. The user is raising a GRC access request and he wants to add certain roles to the access request. When he is searching for the roles, he is getting an error message, no records found with the search criteria. That means the role is not appearing to the user for selection in the access request. What could be the reason? The first thing, the role might not be present in the connector system. So we will go back to the connector system, we will log in and check whether the role is there or not. If the role is there, then it could be the issue of sync job. Repository object sync for the role has not successfully completed. So we will try to run the incremental or full sync job of repository object sync for the roles from the backend connector. Once the sync job is completed, we will check the table GRC RLCon table where we can see the entry for this role in that particular connector. So if that is fine, sync job is completed and entry is also appearing in that, then the role is not imported to GRC. So we will try to import that role to GRC and we will check in GRC role table whether the entry exists or not. Once the role is imported, the entry is created in GRC role table. Now GRC role table is also the entry is there. Then what could be the reason? The role status. If it is in the development, then it will not appear in the search in the access request. So we will make it as production. Sometimes if it is not allowed for provisioning, auto provisioning or not allowed for provisioning, in that cases also this role will not appear. So we will check that status as well as this provisioning statuses what we have marked. So all of them should be production status and as well as this allow provisioning is tick mark. So in some projects even the role search is restricted based on the company or the functional area as well. So we need to take consideration to that parameters of the role as well. Let us assume all of these parameters are properly maintained, but still the role is not appearing in the role search in the access request. Now the last reason could be the authorization issue. That means the user does not have authorization to view these roles. So we need to check the authorizations. So GRC role authorizations, whether that user can view this role or not. So these are the possibilities for which the role is not appearing in the role search while raising the access request. We will try to see few more common issues in the other videos. Thank you.